Hello everyone, I am Baldev Sundrani. We are group number 37 and our topic is Smart Voting System using Retinal Image Detection, and our project mentor is Mrs. Kajal Jewani, and my group members include Simran Gurnani, Abhishek Wagmare and Hitesh Santani. So, speaking about the topic, as you can see in the image, this is the condition of the voting system in our country and in the rest of the world. Many people are following many illegal ways to win the elections, and these are its consequences, and it leads to a global crisis. So, talking about the problem statement, voting system is a government selection process in every democratic nation. Democracy is meant to allow people to vote freely, and voting is a right of every people of a democratic nation. So, we decided to make a system which is even secure than these existing systems, which does not allow these kind of people to win these elections. We have tried to use iris recognition, which is considered as one of the best biometric methods used for human identification. So, and we have also used blockchain in the system, which will make the system even more secure. So, speaking about the hardware and software which we have used Django framework, OpenCV, Python, machine learning, AI and blockchain. Speaking about the hardware part, we have used laptop, camera and smart card reader. The dataset which we have used for the implementation is KCI Iris Image Database version 3.0. Speaking about the methodology, when a voter comes to the voting section, the voter will have to give the smart card to the admin, and admin, after swiping the smart card, the system will check if the voter has already voted. If yes, an alert will be issued that the voter has already voted, else the voter will be verified for his details by the system, and if valid, the voter will be allowed to vote. The algorithms which we have used is Dogman's interval differential operator, Hamming distance for comparing two images, and Hoare transform and log-Gabor filters. Now let's have a look at the implementation part. So this is our home page comprising of admin and user. If a user comes to the system, this is the home page for the user. The user can perform various functions like vote status, live vote status. He can see live voting going on, and even can register for a new user. For a new user can register. This is the admin section where admin functioning happens, where actual iris recognition happens at the time of voting. The admin can see the voters section, the candidates of the election, and this is the swipe smart card section where we are using a smart card. For time being, we are using for demonstration purpose Ganache. Ganache consists of various script keys for the blockchain implementation. Due to the limitations of the system, we are using Ganache. So after submitting the script key, the systems ask for an image, an iris image. At the time of the voting, it will be taken through iris camera, but for the demonstration purpose, we are giving this image. After verification, if the voter is valid, the voter will be redirected to a voting page, after which the admin has to re-swipe the smart card or re-enter the crypt key, and after selecting a different account from MetaMask, admin will have to select a different account from MetaMask, and after refreshing and re-swiping the key, the voter will be allowed to vote the candidate of his or her choice. And after performing a secret transaction through blockchain, the vote will be encrypted and will be stored in the blockchain system. And the vote count has increased, as you can see in the system. And after going back to the system, we can even see that in the voters section, the vote status of the voter has changed to yes, which means the voter has already voted. Now let's see the evaluation measures which we have used. We have used 50 samples from the dataset, and by taking various FAR, FRR and TR values, we have plotted various graphs of result in the results section, which you can see for seeing the accuracy of the system. This is a graph of FAR and threshold. This is a graph of FAR and threshold. This is a graph of TAR, true acceptance rate and threshold. Now, comparison with existing systems. This system is much secure by the use of blockchain, which ensures there is no duplication of votes. With the increase in population day by day, the improvement of voting system is necessary. Many biometric methods are available, but iris recognition has high accuracy rate, because of which we are trying to use it in this system. for the future scope, we can see that the voting systems need to be upgraded, and due to which we are trying to make a system which can eradicate all the illegal methods used in the current systems. These are the references which we used. Thank you.